Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be discussing usage reporting for APS APIs. There are two reporting experiences designed for different roles. If you're a team admin, you can access reporting in your Autodesk account. If you're a developer admin or a developer, you can access reporting in APS Developer Hub. First, let's take a look at reporting for the team admins. You're looking at Autodesk account, and now let's go to reporting. Click on Resource and API Usage. And select View Usage Details under API Usage. On this page, you are seeing an overview of your team's API usage. In this example, the team has access to all three APS offerings: the free plan, Flex tokens, and pay-as-you-go offering. Let's start with the Flex tokens. At the top of the page, you will see the team's current token balance. If you want a deeper breakdown, click View Token Usage Details. This will show you the token usage across time. So you can see a historical usage. You can even click on forecast details to forecast usage based on your current use. Just below that, you'll find the team's total pay-as-you-go spend. To view detailed billing information, head over to Billings and Orders section in Account. Next is the APS free offering. Paid APIs include a limited amount of free usage that refreshes every month. In this table, you can see the paid APIs listed at the top, along with a progress bar showing how much of free usage has been consumed. You can also see how many API units remain before the next monthly reset. Finally, any APIs that does not show a monthly limit are completely free to use. If you click on an API unit, you'll be taken to the detailed reporting page for this unit. At the top, you will see how you're paying for the unit. In this case, we're using APS free. Below that, you will see a chart that shows the usage of this API unit. This can further be filtered by application, month, day, or week. At the bottom of the page, you can see a detailed usage breakdown of apps in the Developer Hub. The date picker lets you choose a specific date range. We have just looked at the usage reporting for team admins. Now let's take a look at the reporting experience for developer admins and developers in APS Developer Hub. To do that, let's first navigate to the Developer Hub. To go to Developer Hub from Account, click on Products and Services and go to Hub and select your Developer Hub. We are now in the Developer Hub. If you want to check the API usage for a specific app, navigate to that app and select that app. We are now seeing the application page, and let's click on API usage to look at the API usage for the specific app. Here, you can select a specific API to look the usage for. You can even select units and a custom date range. Previously, only the usage for paid APIs was reported. Now you can see the usage for additional APIs as well. This app level reporting is available for everyone who has access to the specific app. If you're a Hub admin, you have access to Hub Analytics page. You can use the application filter to look at usage across applications, or you can look at the usage for a specific app. You can select an API, a model derivative in this case, to look at the API usage. We just took a look at two different reporting experiences for team admins and developer admins. If you wear multiple hats, you can view reporting in both places. You will just need the right permissions to access them. The main difference is that in Account, you can view your team's API usage along with the APS offering status and cost reporting. In APS, you can look at the API usage for applications and at the hub level. Thank you.